So here's the headlights, how they look. So these are the headlights when you unlock the vehicle. You can see that they come on straight in the center. So the center lights up. When you lock, they go off. Even just the center unlock lights are very bright, but of course that's not what the headlights actually turned on. Hi, my name is Scott. For today's video, we're going to be looking over these headlights. These are designed for Jeep Wrangler. You can of course look at the listing for make and model. For us, we will be installing them on our 2013 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. As you can see on the very top, it says DOT SAE. So they are DOT approved, which is very important because in a lot of states, if it does not say that, it actually can't pass inspection, technically. So let's go ahead and take a look on the back here. Here you have your plug option. These are very, very nice headlights. I loved how dark they are. There's like a smoked effect. They give you your plug adapter in here as well. So we don't want to get our fingers touching on them. We want to get gloves when we install them so they look very nice. So we're going to go ahead and install them and then show you guys what they look like. This is with the headlights on the marker. So that's marker. There's off. That's with the headlights on. Marker lights on. High beam. They are extremely bright. Absolutely love them.